Hey, hello everybody. Here is Susan in her kitchen. She just finished the pickled okra project, and she is going to start on making her own vanilla extract.
Okay, actually, I have made it before. Last year in November, I started this one. And it has beans in it, but it's so dark now that you can't even see the beans.
Can't even see the beans.
So, and it's really, really nice.
Really good stuff.
And I also did some beans, and this is a rum, and this is a vodka. So this is a pure vanilla, and this one has a little rum flavor to it.
Okay,
so you start out with beans, and there's all kinds of beans. If you want to research them, that's great. Some say Madagascar are the best. There's even different grades of vanilla beans. So you can decide on what you want to do. I am doing Madagascar beans, grade A. And I want to slice them, hopefully not slice my finger, open so that the beans and the alcohol can intermingle and start flavoring and making vanilla extract. This is the tedious part right here. I don't know if I need to open it a little bit or not. It probably is cut open enough, but I can't see. See if I'm getting, looks like it's open.
Yeah. If you sliced into it, that ought to be enough.
Oh, look, see there, you can see little vanilla beans in there. Okay, I'm cutting the vanilla beans open, and there are little shreds of vanilla beans here on my knife. I'm gonna put them right there, hopefully drop them in. We don't want to waste any of that.
Yep, don't want to waste a bit of that.
And we're gonna take the vanilla bean that's been cut open and drop it
jar.
right in the jar, and start on the next one. And I'm just going to keep doing that, so let me go ahead and finish that and come back to you in just a few seconds. That way you don't have to stand there.
There aren't that many. We'll watch you slice it.
Oh, there are. There's 10 of them. I'm going to put 10 in this one, so it's going to be really...
just a few seconds on each one.
Any rate, so I'm going to kind of make sure they're separated enough that I actually have it cut open to where the alcohol and the vanilla can mix. Stick it in there. It just smells so good. These are nice, pliable vanilla beans. You don't want to get vanilla beans that are all dried out because they don't have much to offer whenever you're trying to make the extract. So you need a lot of soft, and some beans are bigger than others. It makes them easier too. These kind of seem a bit on the skinny side. Okay, that one's open. That was a fairly nice fat one, so you could really get it open. There we go. Whoops, get down in there. Okay, I'm just going to leave that one. It looks like it opened up really well. This is kind of small and it may be more of a challenge. So if you're baking, this is just like any other vanilla extract. It's the real thing like you would buy at the store. And it figures out, you can keep adding alcohol, you can keep decanting it and then adding more alcohol. So you can kind of keep it going. It's sort of a perpetual bottle of vanilla as long as you keep adding to it. So it ends up being much cheaper. However, vanilla beans are not cheap to buy anymore. But 10 beans is usually, well, $15, maybe $20, depending on whether it's on sale or not. But if you go to the store to buy a vanilla bean, they're even higher. Order some of these. And there's a lot of places to order them from, so when you get online or wherever, you can see many different companies have them. I hope that one's there, back down in there. Almost my last bean here. Okay, sliced open really nice. Okay. David gave me this lovely little sharp knife. What is this knife, David?
Oh, that's a CRKT minimalist.
It's really sharp.
Knife. It's a little sheath knife.
I put them all in the bottle.
Okay, we got them all in the bottle.
See, these
Hold
were
that bottle
vanilla
up.
bean
Hold that bottle.
kings.
Hold that bottle up so we can get a good look at it. There we go.
They're all in the bottle. That's all you
All
have
in
to
the
do is
bottle.
split them open, drop them in the bottle, and then
Yeah, show the vanilla bean kings.
that's what these are. But you can get all kinds. This one says it's from www.vanillabeanking.com, but I know there's many others, so that's not
Okay.
particularly the ones
And
I.
then we need to talk about what you're going to pour
Okay.
onto those.
So when you buy real vanilla extract, it actually has alcohol in it. So
So
we're going to
now,
use.
don't be cheap and buy
Yeah.
cruddy vodka. There's some vodkas out there that have a really cheap chemical inside of a tanker truck.
You want something good
taste.
because you want your vanilla extract to not taste like
So,
the alcohol.
yeah, so you want to
it
get a
taste
get a
like
good
vanilla.
get a good quality of vodka.
This is not.
And even good vodka doesn't cost that much more than cheap vodka. So, you know, spend the money to buy good
Well,
stuff.
if you're going to use it to bake, you want it to taste like vanilla and not like,
Like a tanker truck.
yeah, not. And this is all there really is to it. You're going to fill it up at this stage. Oops, almost got it. But you want to cover it. So I think I did well there. I think I came out just exactly where I wanted to be. Get the lid back on. Now,
The lid back on Tito's. Tito's made in Texas. And it's almost no taste to it. It's kind of remarkable.
almost no smell, so that's the other good
It's,
thing. It's just really
It's
lets
very,
the
very,
vanilla come
very
through.
clean alcohol.
Okay, so here's the part that is the work, and it's basically just memory work. You gotta remember to shake this thing every day for several weeks. I think
Yeah.
I spent at least 2 weeks, maybe a month, and I shook this every day. So I put it out on the counter. I put it up in the cabinet
Yeah.
where I get my coffee
Yeah,
mug.
keep it right in the kitchen where you'll remember to do it
Well, it
every
was
day.
right in there where the coffee mugs were. So if you got a cup of coffee in the morning, you can pick up
Shake-
your vanilla and
shake-
shake your
shake.
vanilla. And so it'll be the same way with this one. You know, just there's not that much room in there to shake it, but it will. It'll start to mix it up with the alcohol. And I'm starting to see little particles of vanilla, and that's perfectly fine. There's no problem with that.
Yeah,
And I'll just shake it every single day for
Yeah.
at least a month, and then maybe once a week, and then maybe once a month.
Yeah.
And you know, I just, when I think of it, I shake it. Or if
Yeah.
I'm going to use it and I'm baking now,
Yeah,
because
no-
I can use it now. This was started November of 2020, and it's plenty strong as far as using in baking. And so I will use it, and whenever it gets down just a little ways, I can put more in and let it work just a little bit longer. It's just kind of a perpetual vanilla.
Yeah.
Also tried rum. I don't know. I haven't smelled it for a while. Maybe I'll like it better now. I thought it didn't smell as good at first, but as it's aging, it may have improved. That's not bad. You could use that in cookies and things and give it just a little different flavor.
Let me have a
You want
sniff
to
there.
smell? I still think the other one, the pure vanilla, is better.
That smells nice.
It does smell
That
nice.
smells
It smells
nice.
better
Has
than
a
it
really
did.
good vanilla smell to it.
It smells much better than it did. Now I put 10 beans in here. I did not put that many beans in this one. This one I think I put 5 in. But this is going to make faster because of the 10 beans.
Yeah.
But this is a little larger bottle too. And I know that says Watkins. I reused the bottle.
Yeah. That was probably
It was
Grandmother
vanilla.
Marjorie's, wasn't
I'm
it?
not even sure whose it was. But
Anyway, that was probably Susan
the
the
bottle
grandmother's.
worked. And so I thought, okay. I'll
Raleigh's double strength
Well,
vanilla flavoring.
It's now our double strength or triple strength or whatever strength.
Ingredients: water, sugar, alcohol, glucose, vanilla extract. Anyway.
So I will go get a little label and put that on there, what this is and the date that I made it. I just put the date on the top of that one. And that way I'll remember when I started it. And I can decant some of them and put them in smaller bottles for Christmas presents, which is kind of neat. But you have to think ahead because, of course, it takes a while for it to
Yeah,
develop.
you got to plan ahead a little bit.
Yeah, so I'm hoping I have enough time, but I have this already, so I can give some of this.
Well, it'll be Christmas in 4 months.
Well, that's going to barely be enough. You really need longer than that. It's 6 months. So I'm a little behind the 8 ball, but
Shake
hey,
it twice a
it has
day.
more vanilla beans than
We're gonna
my
shake
others.
that one twice a
Oh,
day.
you
Is
think?
what we're gonna
Okay.
do.
All right. Well, we're going to put it up in the coffee cup cabinet as well, just so we'll see it
Remember
every
to
day.
grab it and shake it.
Yeah. So, okay, that is
Okay.
it.
Well, thank you very much for watching.